In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert icon in Excel. Icons are a quick way to add visual cues to your spreadsheets, perfect for dashboards, checklists, or making reports easier to scan. They're vector-based, which means they stay crisp when you resize them, and they're built right into modern versions of Excel, so you don't need to download anything extra. Start by opening your workbook and clicking anywhere on the sheet where you plan to place the icon. This helps Excel know which sheet is active. Now look up at the ribbon along the top of the window and go to the Insert tab. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see all options at first glance, expand the window or look for the Illustrations group. That's where the icon options live. If you don't see icons at all, make sure you're using a recent version of Excel. Older versions may not include this feature. Next, click the Icons button. This opens the icon library, which is organized by categories like Analytics, Arrows, Business, and more. You'll also see a search bar at the top, which is the fastest way to find what you need. Try typing simple keywords like check, arrow, or calendar. If your organization restricts online content, it may take a moment for the library to load. Just give it a second, or try again after confirming your internet connection. Now choose an icon. You can click a category to browse, or use the search to narrow things down. When you find the one you want, click it to select. You can select multiple icons by clicking several before you insert. Excel will add them all at once. When you're ready, click Insert at the bottom of the window. The icons will appear on your sheet, typically centered around where you last clicked. Once they're on the sheet, you can adjust them just like other shapes. Drag the corner handles to resize while keeping proportions. Use the Graphics Format tab to change the fill color, outline, or apply quick styles so the icon matches your theme. If alignment matters, use the arrow keys for pixel-precise nudging, or the Align tools to line up multiple icons perfectly. For clarity and accessibility, consider adding alt text so screen readers can describe the icon's purpose. And a quick tip: keep icon styles consistent across a workbook, same color family and similar sizes, so your visuals feel cohesive without distracting from your data. That's it. Open Insert, click Icons, and choose what you need. Practice with a few different categories and you'll be inserting clean, professional visuals in seconds.